Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 door panel. First, gather your essential tools: a plastic trim removal tool, a Torx screwdriver set, and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure your car's ignition is completely off and the window is fully rolled down. This provides better access and prevents accidental damage. Always work carefully to avoid scratching any interior surfaces. Next, we'll tackle the fasteners. You'll find 2 Torx screws hidden behind the door handle trim piece. Carefully remove them. There's also a small plastic cover near the door pull handle that needs to be gently pried off to expose another screw. Once these are out, use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully release the plastic clips holding the panel around its edges. With all the screws and clips released, it's time to carefully remove the panel itself. Gently lift the entire door panel upwards from its bottom edge. It should detach from the door frame. Be very mindful of any remaining wires or cables that might still be connected. Avoid using excessive force, as this could easily break delicate plastic tabs or mounting points. Finally, you'll need to disconnect the remaining components. Carefully unclip the electrical connectors for the window switch and the door lock mechanism. There's also the door handle cable, which needs to be gently unclipped from its housing on the panel. Take a moment to label or photograph these connections. It will make reassembly much smoother later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.